like a lot of precedent for.
Alright, so guys, I wrote this thread. You can just check it out. Bluwhale is an AI airdrop campaign. It's currently going on. TGE is not announced yet, but you can jump in. This is the early stage, and early adopters really get big incentive. So it's not too late. It just started, and it's a Web3 intelligent pioneer. Just recently they secured 100 million to build their Oceanum, a breaking AI-driven layer 3 solution with Caldera. So this innovation aimed to revolutionize decentralized intelligence, scaling AI agents seamlessly across multiple blockchain ecosystem. So how do I participate in this campaign? It's very simple. I will drop this information at the description of this video for you to take a look at it. So here is the link to the website. I'm using Miss Browser for this, so you can also choose to use it or Kiwi. For those using mobile device, these two browsers I've mentioned are the best to use. And if you are using a desktop or maybe a little laptop, you can use Chrome, where you have your MetaMask extension or whatsoever wallet provider you choose to use. Then having opened the website interface, I prefer to use my wallet connect because the email interface, I don't fully know how token interact with your email for now. So I choose the wallet interface because all transactions happen on the wallet, and if the distribution should occur and you use your email, they will still request that you kind of provide your wallet address. But subsequently, after the connection, the registration, will still have to connect our email for the purpose of maybe getting an update from the project website and the rest. So what we need to do here now is to first of all connect the wallet address now, of which I will do. I'm using the Rabbi wallet. It's quite simple, and the ease of navigating through different websites on with this wallet provider is very, very easy. There will be a notification sent for me to approve this transaction. So once it is done, I'll begin by kind of doing some of the social taxes that is on the website or the platform. Now there are about 4 different social platform you need to connect to effectively carry out these taxes. I think we have Telegram there, we have your email, your X account, and one other account again. So why this is loading, is currently analyzing. So it will bring out the social platform of which you can interact with and get all the connection done. And once you get all the connection done, now since this is in the early stage, there's no much work to do here now. All you need to do is to after the connection, to rack up your points, you need to check in on a daily basis, number one. Then I think you can boost your points and also rack up to the leadership board by inviting people as well. So don't hesitate to use my invite link, and let's connect and do this together. Now let me still try and connect the wallet. I don't know if it should connect successfully. I should be directed to the interface here, but if it doesn't work properly, or if it is giving you delay on your Miss browser, you can change to desktop mode. I think that will solve the problem. Right, so I will wait for it. Just give it okay. I think it's up. Let me see. I'll just try it once again. Sign in, confirm. Okay, this is what we'll do. If the okay, it's up now. Now you can both but there's something I just want to highlight here. If the mobile interface of the site is giving you a little challenge, you can just switch to the desktop interface still on your mobile device, right, on the Mist browser. Even I think Kiwi have that option as well, so you can just choose from whichever one you want to use. So you just have to claim the profile. Claiming the profile requires that you connect all your social accounts, and as I've said before, this is the you have to connect your Google account, which is your email. You have to click on it first and get it connected. You can use an email address. I think having an email address is not difficult, and if you already have one, you just have to link it to the project interface, right? Alright, so here's the email. I need to just confirm and continue with it. So once the email interface open, that is your Google account, it will pop up with the different email you have on that phone. Then you make a choice of one if you have multiple, and if you don't have more than one, or if you have not maybe created an email, you can do so via the same interface as well. So you're logging in to connect, or maybe you're creating to connect, so whichever one. So once you connect your wallet, it will just open automatically before even linking the rest of your social account. It will bring you to your dashboard. This is your dashboard, and this is your Bluwhale AI balance, right? So the more the social media platform you connect, the more you get the points being reflecting on your dashboard now. So the other let's see, you can just take this out of the way. So you need to connect the other social media accounts, like the X account. This is your X, that's link Twitter. Then you link your Discord. Then this is where you also need to invite someone. So once you invite someone, you finish the task here. You claim there are some points given to each invite that you do, and you just rack up your points for inviting. So another way to in, of which I mentioned earlier, is to do the daily check-in. So you just click on this daily check-in and wait for it to show successful. I think it might show successful at the top here. It has come. Then you do it on a daily basis. You can just set a reminder so that you don't miss a day. I think there should be a daily streak introduced. Once a daily streak is introduced, then users now can be able to maybe be diligent and take the daily streak very seriously, because in a row, I think if that daily streak is introduced in an interval of maybe 7 consecutive days without missing, there is a bonus given to you. At least it will encourage people to come to the site and also do some interaction without failing a day at all. So those that are committed and take it very seriously have the opportunity to earn this bonus point. So other accounts, I will do that later. I don't want to prolong this video. Connecting the Twitter, connecting the Discord, inviting more people. Now you can copy your invite link from here, just copy it here and share it with your friends on various social media platforms and get your referrals. And the referral system is very, very awesome. We see over time now, you see that big accounts that have a lot of followers get the largest of Airdrop that have this referral system. So it is very cool that you have a lot of network effect, right? People around you that you teach or encourage to participate in this industry. So if you have that network now, there is the high probability that any task you do on the blockchain that have this referral program, you earn a very huge amount of money from it. Like we see that happening with the social airdrop that just happened. Those with big account in up to about $50,000 and the rest, right? So the higher your network effect, the higher the incentive will be. And not just the higher your network effect, the higher the network effect of people that are willing to participate and do this thing, right? And it will turn out to you that it will profit you on the long run. So I encourage us to keep updating ourselves on the happenings around the blockchain, and also on this site now. And on that page now, let me show you guys. I drop more details on various information about the project, like the Twitter handle. You need to follow the Twitter handle. So here is the Twitter handle of the project. You need to follow them, and also you can follow me on X as well. I'm using this X account currently. My previous X account got suspended. I've appealed. I'm waiting for X to respond to that appeal so that I'll get it back on track. Then for now, I'll be using this very handle, so you can just follow me on X and let's connect together. And so airdrop is confirmed. I've already mentioned this via their official channel, and you can also take a look at the screenshot here that I did. Then this is why you should even participate in this project. Over 270 million users index. Bluwhale AI personalization protocol is transforming Web3 by turning your digital footprint into valuable assets. So don't miss this chance to dive into the future of decentralized intelligence. That is all we can take for now. Once the project update, any information, I'll let us know, and watch out for the next video. I'm also going to do another video of an airdrop opportunity, and beneath this video I will just drop a step-by-step guide of any of the airdrop campaign I'm currently running. Is just follow the simple step. I mustn't do a video for all the project. No, it can't. I don't have that much time to do all video in every of the project I'm participating in, but in each video now I'll chip in some of the project I'm currently participating in, so you take advantage of it and register, do the daily transaction, do the daily tasks, and also follow up with update on that project, because you don't need to miss when they'll announce the date for TGE. And also be ready to claim your token. If you want to sell, and if you want to maybe reinvest into other protocols or into other platforms or asset, now you can do the same. So this is all we can take for this video. I'm encouraging everyone out there, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Twitter, on X now, and we'll see you in our next video. Thank you very much.